Since 1991, we are designing tomorrow together, from our pioneering roots in the geospatial industry to becoming a leading global provider of engineering and digital technology solutions. We are led by our vision of applying technology imaginatively to solve problems that matter. Guided by our values of fairness, integrity, respect, sincerity, and transparency. We are passionate about partnering with our customers across their value chain. Focused on operational excellence, including flexibility of operations and business models. We are building an inclusive workplace that supports diverse thinking and inspires people to reach their potential, nurturing leadership through active learning and development initiatives and programs. We are empowering tomorrow together in the areas of education, digital literacy, skill development, and social innovation. Our customers rely on our proven, time-tested differentiators. We are Cyient, your trusted partner. And we are designing tomorrow together.